y'all, so we're in the powder coat shop today. We were dead set on Corky Pink for all of the LS parts that are getting powder coated. The Corky Pink, like the wheels on my silver truck. But then we got to talking last night and we really think that the pink with the brown and then also silver under the hood and then also maybe cheetah seats is just way too much going on and won't really look that clean and classy. So we think we're gonna do a brown. What we've got in the gun right now is what prismatics matched closest to the darkest brown on the truck. So we're gonna spray a sample of that, see what it looks like. I'm afraid it's gonna be like too flat and dull for my taste, but I don't know. So we're gonna spray a sample of that, spray a sample of, I think, Illusion root beer. We're gonna see what those look like, and then we're gonna make some decisions. So this was the sample of the frosted brown. I mean, it definitely needs clear, but it doesn't change the fact that it's ugly. So I found this in the cabinet, which was burnt root beer. And I'm like, I just know this is pretty, but we only had like 3 or 4 pounds of it probably.
Hey, look at that bag, that says 1 pound. I've already done a bumper and some other parts for a side by side.
It's amazing how far, I'm gonna sit this ugly thing down. It's amazing how far we can push this stuff when we need to. Look, there's still this left, and we did all of these parts in the turbo piping that's in the oven right now. So we said screw that color, and we were hoping we'd have enough, and we did. So now we just gotta clear this, but this looks awesome. So much better than that flat brown. We've got some depth going, some metallic, some sparkle. Now I put clear on it, it is gonna be
So, realistically, I bought this truck to make our lives easier because all we gotta do is put that in the D150, plug it in, and it runs.
hell yeah.
So we don't have to make any fuse blocks. We got boost controller. Because me and Ethan have no idea what the hell we're doing.
I don't even know what I'm supposed to be doing. This is yours. This holds the entire truck together. Every single piece of it.
Come with instructions.
Nope, me and Ethan's out. Best luck to you.
Bye-bye! The gold one's in there. I forgot.
You forgot?
No, I would never. That's radiator. That's transmission. That's motor mount mounts. What the fuck are these for? Oh gosh. These are something.
See, this is the
1, 2, 3.
this is the ISO.
Oh, I thought this was a fucking Milwaukee.
No,
All right, so
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
so apparently this thing's going back together right now. Ethan has supplied me with this box of bolts. Not exactly sure where they go, but by the end of by the end of tonight, this thing's gonna be together by tonight. So